Empower the next generation of engineers. The Naga College Foundation College of Engineering focuses on developing the analytical skills of students, hands-on experience, and engagement in technology-based research and innovation. Our top-grade facilities, newly acquired tools and equipment, exceptional faculty, and comprehensive curriculum ensure that students are well prepared to meet the demands of the engineering profession. We want you not just to be job ready, but innovation ready. Be an empowered and CM engineer. Enroll now.
Join a community where creativity knows no bounds, where every idea is nurtured and every voice is heard. Discover your path, forge your future, and make your mark in the College of Arts and Sciences, where curiosity meets creativity and every voice is heard. A place where innovation thrives and diversity is celebrated.
Here in CAS, of course, you can be whatever you want to be.
NCF College of Arts and Sciences. Explore, create, transform, and innovate.
Join us and be one of CAS.
A pleasant afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. We are still live inside the Ateneo de Naga University Gymnasium. It's the play-in round of the Bucal University's College and Athletic League Season 6. I am LA Lapid together with the one, the only Jasper Abante. At kami ang mga kasama ninyo ngayong araw sa ating last game of our quadruple header play-in matches. It's the UNC Greyhounds, the 4th seed, versus the Cspc Blue Stallions.
Ayun na nga, at this game will determine who will claim the 4th spot dito sa ating intense play-in round. Alright, so as we can see, yung standing ng ating Cspc Blue Stallions in the Division 2 is 5 wins and 3 losses, while on the other side naman, we have the UNC Greyhounds. Their standing is 4 wins and 4 losses. Kung natatandaan natin, yung lahat ng seniors sa Division 1 is having that 4 wins and 4 loss standing. Parang nag-tie doon yung standing nila, pero the ranking still remains nangungunahan dyan ng ating NCF Tigers. And this afternoon, mag-focus muna tayo, LA. Dito sa game at hand natin, we have the UNC Greyhounds and the Cspc Blue Stallions in the Seniors Division. Sino kaya ang makakakuha ng 4th spot this last game of our Saturday action?
Well, yung matatalo dito, they will be facing the Ateneo Golden Knights, who is waiting for who will be the challengers on that quarterfinals round. But before that, let's have a quick check with our courtside reporter, Zane Cortez. Zane, what's your update?
LA and Jasper, good afternoon, hotties, Bicolanas, and to all of our viewers via Bucal Facebook page and One Media TV for the Naga. Welcome to Bucal Season 6 Seniors Basketball Division. This is your very demure and very cutesy courtside reporter, Izzy Cortez, ready to bring you today's much-awaited action. After a long break, the UNC Greyhounds are finally back on the hard court and they're ready to make a statement. But today, it isn't just any game, it is more extra special because it's the birthday of their team captain. According to him, this will be my day and our team's day. With that energy, the Greyhounds are fired up to give their best performances as they face the Cspc Blue Stallions. Will they deliver a game to remember on the celebratory day? Let's find out as the Greyhounds return stronger and more determined than ever. Stay tuned for all the exciting moments ahead. Balik sa inyo.
Thank you so much, Icy, on that quick update on the side of the UNC Greyhounds. Ayon, let's see LA kung masasabayan sila dito ng birthday luck nitong kanilang team captain, none other than Andre Legazpi on the side of the UNC Greyhounds. And syempre, yung opposing team natin, we have Amanda on the side of the Cspc Blue Stallions. Ready na rin para bigyan tayo ng update. Alright, so Amanda, take it away.
Maraming salamat, Ella and Jasper. Magandang hapon, Bicolania. This is the battle for the 4th spot, play and round this week. Live here at Ateneo de Naga University Gymnasium, the battle between CSPC Blue Stallions and UNC Greyhounds. Nagbabalita Amanda Lazaro mula dito sa side ng Camarines Sur Polytechnic Colleges. Mas mainit na paghahanda nga ang meron ang CSPC Blue Stallions ngayong araw. Sabi nga ni Coach Peter, ay iba ang focus nila ngayon sa kanilang training dahil gusto nilang makabawi sa UNC from the classification round kung saan tinalo sila nito. Play hard, communicate at ibigay ang lahat para sa play-in round ngayong hapon. At syempre, LA and Jasper, aabangan natin ang matalinong laro ng Stallions at tignan natin ang determinasyon nila para sa susunod na laban sa quarterfinals. Kaya tutok lang dito sa Bucal official Facebook page, One Media TV 48 Naga and Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Back to the panel.
Thank you so much, Amanda, on that update from the side naman of the CSPC Blue Stallions. Ayan, at tingnan natin kung paano pinaghandaan nitong ating CSPC Blue Stallions yung laban nila ngayon kontra dito sa ating UNC Greyhounds, since ayun na nga na-mention ni Amanda na gusto daw bumawi nitong Blue Stallions dun sa pagkatalo nila against the UNC Greyhounds during the classification round. Pero masyado na yung malayo LA.
Oo.
And hindi rin naman sila nagtapatan dun sa ating eliminations round. So, let's see kung ano yung pagbawi nga na ipapakita nila this time.
Well, our quarterfinals is almost set. We have the NCF Tigers battling against the number 8 seed STI Olympians. We have the Ateneo Golden Knights facing the number 7 seed on who will win this matchup. And also the number 3 seed will battle ACBSUI Panthers versus the ACC Green Serpents. And the number 4 seed, the UNC, if ever, the UNC versus the USI Falcons, the number 5 seed. So great matches awaiting in the quarterfinal stages of Bucal Season 6.
Grabe ka, abang-abang talaga yan. LA, isipin mo, yung play-in pa lang natin, especially hindi nga lang yung play-in, even the elimination round is pasabog na yung mga plays nitong mga teams natin dito sa Bucal. What more sa quarterfinals? What more sa semi and sa ating finals?
Especially,
kaya kailangan talaga natin yung abangan.
We didn't expect that the elimination round would end in a quintuple tie. It's a 4-4 with the USI Falcons in a 9-0 record entering the Division 1 on a good sign, and especially putting them in a higher spot in the number 5 seed. And here's Andrew Valera on the line, shooting only one free throw.
Ayun, at nahihirapan ditong makakuha ng bola itong ating CSPC Blue Stallions. Well, let's see kung makakapuntos na sila dito sa kanilang opportunity here. 3-0 run. Wala pa rin puntos itong ating CSPC Blue Stallions now.
Here's Diang driving inside, up and under layup.
Almost.
Missing it. And Noel Atanasio goes outside, firing a three-pointer. But there is a foul on Nico Caronan. That will put Noel Atanasio on the line.
For 3 free throws, LA, grabe. Good opportunity here on the side of the CSPC Blue Stallions to tie our score on 3 dito sa 8th minute mark ng ating first quarter. And no good on the first attempt by Noel Atanasio. And that's good for his second attempt naman. Let's see if he can get this last free throw. And that's good. Lowering to a point lead of the UNC Greyhounds.
Well, kanina nagbakbakan na yung Ateneo Golden Knights and the UNC Greyhounds, where the Ateneo Golden Knights got the last lap. They're 2-1 when facing in the Naga El Clasico, with the Ateneo snatching a win against the UNC Greyhounds. Andrew Diang hands it to number 19, Lycon Yangar, but Sarmiento picks it up. Here's Valera driving all the way, also missing it. Lycon Yangar with that defensive rebound, but Valera gets the snatch Here comes Kevin Taugan going one-on-one, toe-to-toe. And he gets that good basket, forcing a timeout for the CSPC Blue Stallions.
Let's take a look once again, LA.
A highlight reel.
Grabe.
Doing a Euro step against the defensive stop of Lycon Yangar. We have a 3-point lead in this first quarter after the timeout or during the timeout of the CSPC Blue Stallions.
Ayan, let's see kung ano yung maagang adjustments nila dito, LA, since it's the first 3 minutes ng ating first quarter and napatawag agad sila dito ng timeout since the last score of the Blue Stallions is yung 2 free throws pa nitong ni Noel Atanasio, and let's see on how will they adjust dun sa kanilang gameplay, especially dun sa depensang pinapakita nitong ating Greyhound since nahihirapan din naman silang mag-penetrate dun sa depensang dinidisplay ngayon ng ating Greyhounds.
Especially the UNC Greyhounds ended their elimination campaign defeating the forfeit champions, the NCF Tigers. And Adrian Batyatsela hailed as the best player of the game on that last elimination round. Also, the NCF Tigers now in the number 1 seed after defeating the Ateneo Golden Knights. Almost a snatch by Andrew Valera.
Now, CSPC basketball. Here comes Felix Andrew Diang. Fires for a 3-pointer, almost a 3 points.
Diang actually love to shoot from the wings and getting a triple and a bucket. And here comes a scramble. Lycon Yangar wins it.
Ayun, nasabayan pa siya dito ng foul ni jersey number 77 Valera of the Greyhounds.
Andrew Valera, number 77, and Evan Valera, number 88 of the UNC Greyhounds. We've seen these twin brothers teamed up in the juniors basketball of the UNC Greyhounds in the season 4 installation of the Bucal juniors basketball. They are hailed as the second runner-up with and ending it on a good notice.
Now, UNC's basketball.
Here's Caronan!
3 points play opportunity. Basket, sabayan pa yan ng foul.
Take a look at the replay. It's a baseball pass from afar. Nico Caronan.
Hindi nagpapigil doon, LA. Getting that basket, sasabayan pa yan ng foul. And the 3 points play opportunity for jersey number 17, Nico Andre Caronan. And that's good for that 3 points play. Now, jersey number 35, now to 14, Velitario. Libreng-libre ngayon. Jersey number 24, Correa. Well, yun lang naman pala, LA, yung kailangan nitong ating CSPC Blue Stallions, yung mga open shots.
Especially, the perimeter was available on that play, and Sarmiento was fouled by number 14 of the Camarines Sur Polytechnic Colleges, that's Velitario. Well, the CSPC Blue Stallions a while ago taking advantage of that open inside area. No defense established in the paint by the UNC Greyhounds, so they took advantage of that. Here's Sarmiento for his second free throw, and it goes in.
And we are about to approach the 6th-minute mark of the first quarter. Now, Atanasio, well-guarded Atanasio, now handing it to jersey number 35, pero stepping on the line. The ball.
Or rather, it's a foul from Calo.
Now, Belhica to inbound for the Blue Stallions. Now, jersey number 24, Correa. Now, to Atanasio. To Velitario now. Correa fires for 3, and that's good! Napakagandang tres, LA.
Firing it from top of the key.
Di man lang sumabit dun sa ring.
Kalo hands it to Taugan. Back to Kalo. On the corners, Andrew Valera firing a triple. No good. Welhika rushing, passing it to Velitario, but it will stay on their side. And also our officials for this match is Inday Arsena, Jomar Gorom, and Ronnie Maliniza. 19 on the 24 left for the Blue Stallions.
Now, Blue Stallions, and
that will be a backcourt violation.
Turnover dito on the side of the UNC Greyhounds with jersey number 81 Batian Sela to inbound.
Here's the birthday boy Andrew Legaspi checking in for the UNC Greyhounds.
Now we are approaching to the midway of the first quarter. Now jersey number 27 Taugan for 3. No good on that attempt. Now jersey number 81 Batian Sela.
Just hitting the side of the rim.
Medyo nahihirapan sila dito magpakawala ng 3-pointers.
Especially naipapanan din ng Cspc Blue Stallions yung kalamangan
sa
ng
dalawa.
UNC Greyhounds.
Now jersey number 88 Valera. Well guarded here. Now didiretso. Grabe, walang alinlangan dun sa mga bantay niya. Now Atanasio to jersey number 13 Cornelio.
Here's Atanasio. Rebound by Legaspi.
The birthday boy.
Oh.
Let's take a look.
Here's Taugan. Legaspi has it, but it will be a traveling violation. And traveling is more fun with Nagayon. Travel and tours is a substitution.
Napakalisto talaga ni Ref Jomar pagdating sa traveling violations eh. Siyempre hatid sa atin yan ng Nagayon. Travel and tours now. Diang one-on-one with Batian Sela.
It's a full court man-to-man trapping right now for the UNC Greyhounds with Belica open and Padua double team by Taugan and Batian Sela.
Maganda yung ginawa doon ni Diang. Alam niyang mado-double team na siya. Therefore, agad niyang pinasa inside and ayun na nga, since double team si Diang, may isa silang open and this time may kasabay yung foul.
And it goes in on the first free throw attempt of Padua. And just like that, we are tied at 9 apiece in 4 minutes and 12 seconds in the first quarter. Evan Valera from the corner. Belica gets the pick.
Now Diang, a long pass.
Oh, Velitario catching it from the baseball pass of Andrew Diang, but suddenly it's out of bounds. We have Masinas and Garcia checking in for the Greyhounds. That's it to Garcia. Batian Sela to Masinas.
Valera. No good on that triple.
And no.
A double foul. Kitang-kita dito ni Ref Jomar. Ayan, jersey number 14 of the UNC and jersey number 35 of the Cspc Blue Stallions. Matatawagan dito ng double foul and the ball will go on the side of the Blue Stallions. And shot clock reset tayo dito, LA. Now Diang to inbound.
Still a full court man-to-man dropping 100% of the UNC Greyhounds.
Now Diang mahanap dito ng buwelo. Now Belgica. Well guarded here by Valera. Ayaw na siyang iwan dito ni Valera. Now Diang with a fake and a traveling violation pa nga ang itinawag dito kay Diang. And syempre hatid sa atin yan ng Naga yon, Travel and Tour. So we are deadlocked at 9 points. So 3 minutes and 7 seconds remaining ng ating first quarter.
Nakita ko kanina, napatayo bigla doon si Diang when he was called for a traveling violation and an offensive foul for Kenneth Masinas. It's an illegal pick. And both teams are in penalty situation, but no team fouls from an offensive foul.
Now, Velitario, 1-on-1 with Valera. Para silang may 8 sa jersey.
Oo.
Good ball rotation. Diang fires for 3-pointer but no good. Once again, Diang nagdalawang isip dun sa pagtira niya ng 3. 7 seconds on the shot clock.
We've seen him drain shots from that spot. And
time to shoot. And ayun na nga,
shot
naubusan
clock
sila dito
expires.
ng shot clock. So minutes and 30 seconds remaining for the first quarter. Ayan, Valera nagdadalawin ng bola for the UNC Greyhounds. Grabe, super low scoring tayo dito LA. And a shooting foul coming from jersey number 4 of the CSPC Blue Stallions, sending jersey number 14 Masinas on the free throw line.
Well, the CSPC Blue Stallions team from Pasok and also from Squaa, eliminating the Bisca Spartans in the elimination round. And that puts them in the top 7 spot of Division 2. But also gaining a rematch against the UNC Greyhounds. So last game was in the Jesse M. Roberto Coliseum in the classification stage on who will be entering Division 1. And here comes a steal by Evan Valera, losing it.
And
off the foot.
Sayang yun. A missed opportunity on the side of the UNC Greyhounds. Steal from Valera and medyo napalakas dun yung pasa niya kay Garcia. Now, Ateneo to inbound. Now here comes Felix Andrew Diang magtatawid ng bola for the CSPC Blue Stallions. Now to Belgica. And may pagbangga doon itong si Valera pero still.
Oh, there's a rejection. Rejected by Garcia. But still, 4 seconds will be ticking for the CSPC Blue Stallions. Will they get this one in this last 4 seconds on the shot clock? Here's Ateneo to inbound.
Belgica. No good on that triple. Now, jersey number 81, Batiancela, 1-on-1.
Here's Legaspi. Open 3. Rebound by Ateneo. Here's Belgica again. To Padua. Diang sizing up Evan Valera. The screen from Velitario. The spin. Sayang yung opportunity na yun. Batiancela. Here's Batiancela rushing inside. They had the kick out to Evan Valera. Again to Batiancela, taking that extra bump from Andrew Diang as Andrew Diang draws a foul.
Makakakuha nga dito ng 2 free throws. Let's take a look once again sa ating instant replay. Valera to Batiancela. Pero saktong-sakto, pagbitaw ng bola nitong si But Yancel ay tawagan naman doon ng pushing foul.
Well, he absorbed that bump coming from Andrew De Jong, so he stepped on the line for 2 free throws.
Syempre, let's commend our media partners for our instant replays. We have One Media, TV 48 Naga and Oragon Sports TV headed by our station manager, Sir Jermaine Jacob. Technical Director, Sir Kim Monteroso. Ang napakaganda nating Production Administrator, we have Ma'am Irene Tosok. At syempre yung mga napakasisipag nating cameramans, LA, we have Sir Brian, Sir Jameson Brenya, Sir James Gabarda, Ma'am Niela Berido, Ma'am Janjan Basales. Ayan.
14 on the 24, Belgica.
And kick ball violation tayo dito.
He bounced pass, but it was off the foot of Sarmiento. Or rather, Masinas. 14 still on the 24. Relica to Ateneo from a long three-pointer. Sarmiento saves it for Ateneo, and Ateneo passing it on the inside for JP. Correa in and out, but still manages to get in after an extra bounce.
Now Valera for the Greyhounds. Well guarded here by jersey number 23, Labalan. And a steal by Labalan. Grabe, kinuha na doon ni Bellica yung bola. Parang nagmamadali. Now Velitario, hindi na nakaabot yung buzzer beater shot sana. And that's the end of our first quarter. A point lead of the UNC Greyhounds. Diyan lamang po kayo at magbabalik po kami for the second quarter only here on Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
And we are still live here in the Ateneo de Naga University Gymnasium for the continuation of our action in the second quarter. Still the UNC Greyhounds have the upper hand against the CSPC Blue Stallions with a 1-point lead. And completing the panel is our courtside reporter Zane Cortez of the UNC Greyhounds and Amanda Lazaro of the CSPC Blue Stallions. Labalan to start things up in the second quarter. Ateneo on the corner, taking that bump, and a steal from Nico Caronan. Valera to Sarmiento, now back to Valera. Evan Valera with 12 seconds to shoot. Nico Caronan now going inside, attacking the paint. It's good.
Now ball possession of the CSPC Blue Stallions. Here comes Labalan. Passing it to John Laico ni Yangar. Now Labalan once again. The jersey number 24, Correa. Now a long pass to Ateneo, but here comes Neyangar getting that two-pointer.
It's a good ball movement for the CSPC Blue Stallions, finding who can attack the basket in that play.
Nakikita natin LA yung eagerness nitong dalawang teams na ito. The dedication na makuha or i-secure yung fourth spot dito sa ating play-in round.
Korea from top of the key, same spot, same result for JP Korea. And to hear things from the leading team, let's call in Amanda Lazaro of the CSPC Blue Stallions. Amanda, take it away.
Thank you, Ale and Jasper. Matapos nga magbigay ng magandang plano ang coaches, ay naging challenge talaga ng adjustments para sa players. Pagtawag nga ng unang timeout ay pinaalala ng coaches ang kanilang rebounds at turnovers. Ale and Jasper, ang kanilang pagmamadali kanina sa unang laro, sa kanilang opensa ay hindi sumang-ayon sa kanilang laro. Kaya minaigi ng coaches na maging kalmado ang players at bawasan ang pressure na nararamdaman. Bago nga matapos ang first quarter ay nahabol ng Stallions ang puntos at binigyan ng mas magandang laban ang UNC Greyhounds. Bicolania viewers, abangan natin ang mas mainit na quarter ngayong hapon. Kaya tutok lang dito sa Oracle Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Balik sa inyo.
Thank you so much, Amanda, on that update from the side of the CSPC Blue Science. And ayun na nga, bawasan daw nila LA yung kanilang pressure. And this time, tingnan natin kung i-apply nila yung kanilang coaches advice. Ayan, at on the other side, we have IC ready na rin para bigyan tayo ng update. Alright, so let's call on our cutesy courtside reporter IC on the side of the UNC Greyhounds. IC, take it away.
LA and Jasper, despite the gloomy weather, we can feel the heat of the game here inside the Ateneo Gymnasium between the UNC Greyhounds and CSPC Blue Stallions. During the huddle, Coach kept reminding them, "Wag magmadali. Patience is key, making sure that they set up good passes and use screens effectively to create scoring opportunities." Defensively, they've switched to a 1-3-1 setup, focusing on proper coverage and reminding the team that the Greyhounds were quick to adjust with an overload strategy, creating pressure on one side of the court. But isa lang ang kailangan pa nilang gawin. What they need to pick up is more hustle, especially on defense and chasing loose balls. Balik sa inyo, LA and Jasper.
Thank you so much, IC, on the side of the UNC Greyhounds. Ay tingnan talaga natin yung gagawin nitong ating UNC Greyhounds, kung paano sila nag-focus dun sa kanilang teamwork. And as you can see, easy layup coming from jersey number 15, Masinas.
Sarmiento. It's Victor Sarmiento. Masinas is number 14 of the UNC Greyhounds. Here comes Valera from the corner. Three, highlight wheel. Coach Miggy clapping on that one. And that buzzer sounds for the CSPC Blue Stallions. Another look at an angle.
Grabe, LA. What a shot. A three-pointer coming from jersey number 77, Valera.
Quick exchange of events from both of these teams, with Andrew Valera draining it from the corner, flexing those muscles after, or celebrating after he makes that shot. But it's still a long way to go for our second quarter. We're just in the 6-minute mark, 6 minutes and 49-second mark of the second quarter, with the lead up in the hands of the UNC Greyhounds after a couple of lead changes in the first minute of the second quarter. What will the Blue Stallions have to do here after this timeout?
Well, 7 points yung lamang na hawak dito ng ating UNC Greyhounds. The Blue Stallions have to double their effort dito sa 6 minutes and 49 seconds remaining ng ating first half. And let's see kung ano yung pressure na nararamdaman nila ngayon. I think maybe 1-0 na sila because they said na natalo sila ng UNC Greyhounds during the classification round, and I think the pressure is ayaw na nilang maulit yon. Therefore, kailangan talaga nilang bawasan yung pressure that they can do this and they can prove na sila yung karapat-dapat for our fourth spot. Now, Diang to inbound for the Blue Stallions.
Here's Diang. Open, Correa on the inside, using the backboard to finish that play. Adrian Batcancela of the Greyhounds. A 3-2 or a 2-3 defense of the CSPC Blue Stallions. Batcancela rushing into the baseline. A 3 from Caronan. No good, just hitting the rim. And a hard fall of Pedro Velitario.
Ay, natawagan na ng pushing foul si jersey number 27, Taugan.
And Amaro checking in for the UNC Greyhounds.
Now, Diang once again to inbound. Six minutes on the game clock. Now, Niangar, well-guarded Niangar, but a foul has been called to jersey number 27, once again, Taugan.
Mas napapadami na dito yung team fouls ng UNC Greyhounds compared from the first quarter. It's the CSPC Blue Stallions getting that foul trouble. Getting 5 team fouls early. And a steal from Caronan. Here's Kevin Taugan back again to Nico Caronan. And an exchange of words from Andrew Diang and Nico Caronan as he is fouled. Here's Nico Caronan on the line for 2 free throws.
Five points lead. A chance here to raise to 7. And that first basket. Changing words, love it. Now for the second attempt of Caronan.
Extending it to a 7-point lead. Oh, a steal from Amaro. 15-footer. Drops it in for the Greyhounds.
Grabe.
They're enforcing a full court man-to-man trapping. And we are 5 minutes and 25 seconds from the second quarter. And basket is good plus a foul for Belgica.
3 points play opportunity naman yung kante dito ng ating CSPC Blue Stallions. Now, Belgica, 7 points lead of the UNC Greyhounds. No good on that 3 points play, pero once again offensive rebound but a wrong pass. A wrong pass to Caronan. Now, Batcancela hands it to jersey number 28 for 3. No good on that. And a defensive rebound here by Pedro Velitario. Passes it to Felix Andrew Diang with 5 minutes on the game clock. Now,
Diang.
no good on that 3-pointer by Felix Andrew Diang. Now, Batcancela nagmamadali dito to jersey number 28 now. Jersey number 18 with that spin. Makakakuha nga dito ng 2 free throws after that foul committed by Belgica.
And he sends Andrew Legaspi on the line for 2 shots. Gets that first free throw. Doesn't get a good bounce on the free throw. On the second free throw attempt, and Andrew Diang picks up the miss. Yangar back to Diang. Swings it back to Yangar. Back to Diang. Diang attacking in the paint. Caronan gets that wrong pass, and here comes Garcia attacking.
Now, Nianggar for the Blue Stallions. 8 points lead na po ang lamang dito. And a miscue. A wrong pass from Felix Androdian to Batian Sela of the Greyhounds.
Rather passing it into the outside for Diang. Almost a good pass because some player is underneath that on the targeted pass of Andrew Diang. Good catch by Legazpi.
No good at the three-pointer by Garcia. And a long pass here from Velitario to Nianggar and a whistle. Natawagan dito ng blocking foul itong si jersey number 18 of the UNC Greyhounds. That is Andre Legazpi, the birthday boy. Now, Nianggar on the free throw line, getting that
I like the free
first
throw
attempt
of Nianggar,
Ganda
almost
nung-
sitting down.
Ganda nung
on the
position
line.
ng legs niya, partner. Let's take a look once again.
Look at that. It also actually he's getting a good bounce on that free throw, but missing the second free throw attempt. Here's Amaro from the corner, overshooting it. But it will stay on the side of the UNC Greyhounds, and Atanasio with a fresh cut in exchange for Belgica.
Now, UNC Greyhounds still on the run. Batian Sela, in and out ball, but still in for the UNC Greyhounds. And 9 points na po ang hawak na kalamangan dito ng ating UNC Greyhounds. Now, let's see. Felix Andrew Diang on the outside. Now, Nianggar, didiretso. Maraming bantay Nianggar. Getting that two-pointer.
Taking an extra bump coming from Andre Legazpi and continuing that drive into the basket. Almost a backcourt violation for Legazpi.
Well
Here's
guarded
Alain.
Garcia here. Ayan, at quick shoutout muna tayo dito LA sa mga nakatutok sa atin via Oragon Sports TV Facebook page. We have here Ivan Nash Servidad, Kian Baluyot, and Pia Abiog. Also, Bertie James, happy viewing po.
3 on the 24. Underneath pass. That shot clock expires for the UNC Greyhounds.
Maulan sa labas LA pero yung bakbakan natin dito sa loob ng Ateneo de Naga Gymnasium ay talagang patuloy na nag-iinit, patuloy na nag-aalab as the CSPC Blue Stallions is looking for a good revenge kontra dito sa ating UNC Greyhounds. Now, almost a deflection but out of bounds as the same ball possession will go to the CSPC Blue Stallions.
Maglapid now checking in for JP Correa, 14 on the 24 for the Blue Stallions. Diang hands it to Yangar, swings it to Diang again. 10 on the 24, Atanasio rushes. Maglapid with a third drop shot, no good. A defensive rebound. Missing it.
Here comes the rebound coming from the UNC Greyhounds. Batian Sela, well guarded, limang bantay. No good on his attempt. Now,
Well, it's a rush.
Benitario to Diang.
It's a rush in that play as 3 defense was actually in the paint for ready to catch Batian Sela. A stop for a moment, but it was a traveling violation. 3 steps for Yangar.
And syempre LA, traveling is more fun with Nagayon Travel and Tours. 1 minute and 49 seconds remaining dito sa ating first half. Now, UNC Greyhounds basketball, jersey number 81, Batian Sela. Well guarded here by jersey number 23, Labalan. Batian Sela hands it to jersey number 28 now. On the corner, going to the inside, getting that 2 points. Grabe.
That play is brought to us by HJP Pawn Shop. Sa oras ng kagapitan, sandigan ang kailangan. Good play from Adrian Batcancela, attacking it from the baseline.
And a steal here coming from the UNC Greyhounds. Batcancela stops. Almost, but a pull-up jumper coming from Garcia and no good on his attempt. A quick turnover here on the side of the Blue Stallions, and now Belica checking in for the Blue Stallions. Let's see. Labalan. 1 minute on the game clock. Now, Atanasio. Once again to Labalan. And a screen by Maglapid. Now on the corner, Belica stops and pops for 3. Pero hindi siya pumayag. Si Velitario na hindi sila doon makakonvert ng points. Kahit 2 points lang daw, sabi ni Velitario. And that's good for the Blue Stallions.
After near ball. But there's a save by Velitario. He converted into a 2 points. And here's Legazpi attacking the basket. That is the mobilidad play of the quarter, brought to us by 3GX ICT Solution, and an extra energy check from Pocari Sweat.
Now, Atanasio, no good on his 3, but here comes Labalan, and a defensive rebound with 4 seconds on the game clock. And let's see, almost a buzzer beater coming from jersey number 88, Valera of the UNC Greyhounds, and that's the end of our first half. Ayan at we will flash the highlights, the game highlights for the first half, and we'll be right back after this halftime break. Only here on Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
empower the next generation of engineers, the Naga College Foundation College of Engineering focuses on developing the analytical skills of students, hands-on experience, and engagement in technology-based research and innovation. Our top-grade facilities, newly acquired tools and equipment, exceptional faculty, and comprehensive curriculum ensure that students are well prepared to meet the demands of the engineering profession. We want you not just to be job ready, but innovation ready. Be an empowered and CM engineer. Enroll now.
And we're back for the second half of action only here on Bucal Season 6. We're featurized. Kami pa rin po ang inyong makakasama, Jasper Abante and LA Lapid dito sa ating second half. And 9 big points ang lamang na hawak nitong ating UNC Greyhounds sa nagdaang first quarter. Pero let's see kung ano yung adjustments na gagawin nitong ating dalawang koponan na ito. Well, the UNC Greyhounds continue their momentum and secure the fourth spot in the play-in round, or the Cspc Blue Stallions will take that revenge. Since sabi nga nila, since the classification round pa nila hawak yung pagbawi. And let's see kung mangyayari na yan dito sa ating second half. And sana nabusog kayo dun sa ating highlight reels LA. Napakaganda. Hatid sa atin yan ng One Media, TV, 48 Naga, and Oragon Sports TV syempre. And now maagang whistle dito ng ating officials, and the ball will remain on the side of the Greyhounds. Now jersey number 77 Valera, jersey number 11 now to 28 Amaro,
Karonan
3 from jersey number 17 Karonan of the UNC Greyhounds.
Great
Magandang
spice.
pagsisimula. Magandang pagsisimula yan dito sa ating third quarter.
Well, a hacking foul for John Roy Amaro. Gives it to Belica with Andrew Valera guarding him, and almost steal by the Mighty Mouse Valera. Ateneo, goal for 3!
Ang agang bawi naman itong ating CSPC Blue Stallions. 3 points coming from Ateneo of the CSPC Blue Stallions.
Sent
Now
to a 9-point lead. Amaro stopping for a moment. Calo to the short corner. Valera.
Now CSPC Blue Stallions, Belica to Ateneo. And now parang ready na ang ating courtside reporter na si Izzy to give us an update on the side of the UNC Greyhounds. Izzy, anong update natin dyan?
LA and Jasper, we are now on the third quarter of the game, and the Greyhounds are stepping up their intensity as the game progresses. Coach emphasizes a few key points earlier. Quick double on defense to force turnovers, and offensively pasok sa middle to break through gaps and create scoring chances. Every possession counts, and the message is clear: magtrabaho sa bawat pagkakataon. The Greyhounds are being reminded to go hard on the court and give their all, leave nothing on the court. With this level of focus and determination, they're poised to make an impact in the game. Stay tuned for more updates. Balik sa inyo, LA and Jasper.
Thank you so much, Icy, for that update. Well, the UNC Greyhounds, especially have been doing here, is by attacking the basket, and during that sequence, there's a foul, and Lycon Yangar is on the line for 2 free throws. And let's have a quick update from the sideline. Here's Amanda Lazaro to bring us the update.
Maraming salamat, Ella and Jasper, at nagbabalik tayo sa mainit na tapatan ng dalawang koponan. Hindi inaasahan ng UNC Greyhounds ang pakikipagsabayan sa kanila ng Stallions. From the first half of the Stallions are still reminded of their offense and turnovers. Nakita rin natin kung paano naapektuhan ng kanilang body language ang laro, pero nanatili pa rin ang Stallions sa kanilang plano. Tuloy ang pressure at depensa naman ang pinapakita ng mga big man sa loob ng hardcourt laban sa UNC Greyhounds. At ngayong third and fourth quarter, tignan natin, Ella and Jasper, kung ano nga ba ang adjustments na ipapakita ng Stallions. Babawi yan ang isinigaw ng players bago matapos ang huddle at ramdam ko nga rin mula rito kung gaano kadeterminado ang Stallions na manalo ngayong hapon. And yan lang mga updates mula dito. Balik sa inyo, Ella and Jasper.
Thank you so much, Amanda, on that update from the side of the CSPC Blue Stallions. Ayan, at kailangan pa natin, LA, hintayin yung pagbawi nitong ating CSPC Blue Stallions as we are down to 6 points. Well, kanina malaki yung lamang, umabot sa 10 points, but now it's just 6 points.
Blue Stallions erasing that double-digit lead for the UNC Greyhounds.
Now, Nianggar
is Velitario handing it to Ateneo, overshooting it, but a rebound.
Another overshoot coming from jersey number 24, Maglapid. Now, jersey number 81, Batiancela, well guarded here.
Maglapid, I think it's 22, or JP Correa, 24, airs a three-pointer, gets it to go by Andrew Valera. Another highlight reel to check out for Valera. Open.
Libreng-libre dito. Maglapid. Jersey number 24, Correa rather. Grabe. Napakalibre niya doon.
Wala siyang partner si Maglapid.
Partner ko pala yun, si Maglapid ngayon eh.
Lapid lang partner. It's LA Lapid, and I almost have the same surname with Monica Maglapid of the Blue Stars. So a quick shout out also to Monica Maglapid, the playing forward and center for the Blue Stallions.
Now, Blue Stallions once again, Nianggar to Labalan. Now, Labalan to jersey number 14, Correa. Almost a deflection by Batiancela, pero here comes Nianggar. Sayang yon. And a defensive rebound here by jersey number 77, Valera. Now to 17, Caronan. And
there's an offensive foul.
An offensive foul coming from Nico Andre Caronan of the UNC Greyhounds. And the ball will go on side of the Blue Stallions with 6 minutes and 20 seconds remaining dito sa ating third quarter. Now Nianggar to Labalan.
Here's
to
JP.
Correa. On the inside, Velitario well guarded here. And the same ball possession. Grabe yung depensa doon ni Sarmiento.
8 on the 24. Noel Atanasio to inbound. Hands it to Ronald Labalan. On the outside, JP Correa. Again, a three-pointer gets it to go from the wings. And that play is brought to us by NCF Wings, because Tigers can have wings. Here's Kevin Togan thinking about fighting it from way downtown. Here's Batiancela. Batiancela dancing with the Blue Stallions. 5 on the 24. Togan again to attack. Pulls it up. Gets it to go for Togan.
With that spin, LA, grabe, nag-spin pa siya doon before getting that two-pointer. Now, Atanasio on the side of the Blue Stallions, and a backcourt violation has been called to the CSPC Blue Stallions. A very crucial error on the side of the Blue Stallions since 6 points yung lamang na hawak dito ng ating UNC Greyhounds.
Medyo kaya din palitin ng Blue Stallions yung lead dito ng UNC Greyhounds. Let's have an eye and out for that.
Now, Taugan to inbound. Now to Caronan. Swings it to Valera.
Taugan almost missing it. And Caronan getting that layup.
Back-to-back points put it by the UNC Greyhounds. Wala pang magandang pagbawi dito. Itong ating Blue Stallions. Now let's see this time.
Well,
Labalan well guarded. Labalan.
The last lead change happened in the second quarter, and they're complaining that the ball touched a player from the Blue Stallions. And a substitution is Andrew Deyang for Ronald Labalan, and a timeout for the UNC Greyhounds.
Ayan, at syempre, pasalamatan na muna natin, LA, ang ating mga sponsors. We have here the Naga College Foundation, Gold Gloffa Construction, ACLC Naga, Lemon Residences, Ateneo de Naga University, NCF Wings, KD Sportswear and Apparel, Garden Café, Nagayon Travel and Tours, Nagayon Live Your Dreams, Create Memories, Tigers Cafe, NCF V Gallery and Museum, NCF Training Pool, NCF Indoor Firing Range. And of course, Bucal Season 6 coverage is powered by Converge FiberX, by Converge ICT Solutions Incorporated, and Ravenous Communications Incorporated. Maraming salamat din po sa Aman Engineering Enterprise, Enjoy Realty and Development Corporation, Skytech Advertising, owned and managed by Sir Mac Mendoza, Duty Free Philippines, shop at dutyfreephilippines.com.ph, Unibersidad de Santa Isabel, BMEG, Alagang BMEG, Alagang number 1, Department of Agriculture, Bicol, and special thanks also to Worlds of Water, NCF TRC and NCF IMC, and Digital Graphics. And also to Bucal sponsors, we have Biggs, Elite Sportswear, HJP Pawn Shop, Havaianas, Ngo & Sons Trading and Industries Incorporated, Pocari Sweat, and 3GX ICT Solutions. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat.
And Kevin Taogan called for that foul. Beletario is sent on the line for 2 free throws. Gets that first free throw to go in for the Blue Stallions.
Now, ball possession of the UNC Greyhounds. Parehas na Valera itong nasa front court ng ating UNC Greyhounds. Now, Valera,
Evan and Andrew, 88 and 77. Both the Mighty Mouse. Yeah, it's actually the twin brothers from last season. And a three-pointer gets it to go for Evan Valera. A tip, a scramble. Here's Andrew Valera handing it to Masina's basket is good, plus a foul.
Grabe yun, LA.
Spicing things up here.
Pina-inbound lang ng UNC Greyhounds yung Blue Stallions natin, then binawi na agad yung bola. Let's take a look once again after that three-pointer by Valera.
A highlight reel again to check
ito
out.
naman, Valera once again handing it to jersey number 14, Masinas, getting that 5 points dun sa run na yon, and 6 points dahil pasok yung 3 points play opportunity doon ni Masinas. Now libreng-libre dito, Correa,
sending it to a 10-point lead for the UNC Greyhounds.
Ayan, 10 puntos na. Well, the Blue Stallions have to double their effort dito since patuloy na lumalamang yung ating UNC Greyhounds.
Almost all shots of the UNC Greyhounds coming in, and Legaspi basket is good, plus a foul. Once again for the UNC Greyhounds, getting a 3-point play opportunity.
And this time si jersey number 18 naman, LA, that's Andre Legaspi. No good on his 3 points play opportunity, but natawagan naman dito ng foul. Itong si Legazpi, pushing foul. And Velitario will get his 2 free throws after that pushing foul committed by Andre Legazpi. 54-42. Bawasan natin yun ng isa. That's 54-43. 11 points lead. A chance to cut off to 10.
And a quick shout out to our table officials. We have Rosel Ponting, JG Daliva, Bonanong Chumacero Jr., and the technical director, Sir Edgar Faraon.
Siyempre, nandiyan
Edward
rin
Faraon.
si Pia Recto.
Oo.
Now, Valera, well guarded here by jersey number 13.
From the outside, again attacking. Evan Valera missing it. A rebound. No, Masinas goes up, but he was fouled.
Cornelio is down. And here comes our medics to check on Cornelio.
Well, our medics is actually rushing in to check. He's having a sprain, or he's helped now by Labalan. So our medical staff will be checking Cornelio. And gets a first free throw to go for Mazinas. And Padua will be checking in for Cornelio, as he appears to be hurt.
Now a full court man-to-man trapping still coming from the Greyhounds.
Oh, missing it.
Grabe,
From
sayang
Masinas.
yun.
And Valera almost joining up the crowds in the bleachers, trying to save that basketball. We still have 3 minutes and the third quarter, where the lead still in favor of the UNC Greyhounds, up by 13 points. 20 on the 24. Blue Stallions basketball. Here is Andrew Diang. Siding up Evan Valera. Goes circling around. Things are heating up as to pacify the situation. Pushing foul on Evan Valera and a fist pump from Valera and Diang.
56-43, 13 points lead of the UNC Greyhounds. And no good on that first attempt by Diang. 2 minutes and 49 seconds remaining. And that's good for that second attempt by Felix Andrew Diang of the Blue Stallions.
Swings it to Andrew Valera into the corner. Nico Caronan back again into the outside.
Now Valera, well guarded Valera, but no hesitation. Now good on that attempt.
Getting the teardrop shot for the Greyhounds.
But the same ball possession for them.
14 on the 24. Caronan looks to attack. Caronan, no good.
Grabe yung depensa dun sa ilalim LA.
It was Velitario and Diang double teaming Nico Caronan.
Now, Correa. Jersey number 7. Diang, libreng-libre, nagmadali pa nga. Almost an in and out ball.
Basketball goes spinning around before it goes in for Andrew Diang. 2 minutes remaining in the third quarter.
Now, jersey number 77 to Caronan. Now, Valera for 3. No good on that 3 points attempt. Now, Diang once again dancing with Valera. what a spin here by Felix Andrew Diang. Saktong-sakto yung pagpasa niya doon kay Velitario, ay Atanasio rather. But here comes Velitario. Yun yung sinasabi kong Velitario LA. Ready na palang ipasok yung 2-pointer doon.
Nico Caronan comes to save it, but handing it to Padua and thought that it would go out of bounds, but Velitario finishing it. No good from Valera, from Evan Valera. From top of the key, Nico Caronan. Still no good.
And jersey number 11 checking in for the Greyhounds, Calo. Ayan, quick shoutout muna tayo dito kay Romel Borromeo and Lilibet Ibarientos na tutok sa ating Oragon Sports TV Facebook Live. Ayan, happy viewing po sa inyong lahat.
Full court man-to-man trapping, 18 seconds before advancing it. But it's still the CSPC basketball as we are in the 51 second mark of the third quarter. 16 on the 24. Lycon Yangar to inbound. Chooses Pelica, the handoff. Fires it. No good.
Almost getting that pull-up jumper. Now,
Padua goes crashing against.
Grabe, buti na lang LA walang masyadong nadaganan dun
Goes
sa
crashing
bangguan nila doon.
Against Veronas.
Dahil medyo malakas yung impact nila doon and it can be result to an injury. Pero buti na lang at wala namang masyadong collision na nangyari.
They're battling for that loose ball when that collision happened, but Veronas is on the line for 2 free throws.
A chance to raise their lead to 10 points once again with 41 seconds dito sa ating third quarter. Now, no good on the second attempt. Velitario with that defensive rebound. Well-guarded Belhica here. Now, Atanasio to Niangar. Niangar stops. And a defensive rebound once again coming from the Greyhounds. Now Valera, well guarded here by Belhica. Pero nandun sa corner itong si jersey number 11 to secure that ball with that spin.
Almost a good play on that.
Sayang yon LA. But now Belhica nagmamadali. Ayun na nga at may kasabay siya ditong shooting foul coming from jersey number 11 of the UNC Greyhounds, that is Calo.
Good spin on that last sequence by Veronas, handing it to Sarmiento but missing that play. And therefore, Belhica on the line. And airballs that first free throw attempt.
Ayan, quick shoutout kay Carl Notario. Happy viewing po. Now Belhica once again. No good on that second attempt.
Missing both free throws, but
5 seconds remaining sa ating third quarter.
Sending once again the Greyhounds into the penalty situation, and Masinas will be on the line for 2 free throws.
That's good for that free throw by Masinas. Now with 3 seconds, Niangar for 3. No good.
Shot.
No good pa rin dun sa kanilang mga buzzer beater shots nitong ating CSPC Blue Stallions, and that's the end of our third quarter. Diyan lamang po kayo at magbabalik po kami for the fourth and final quarter only here on One Media TV 48 Naga and Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampyon. And we are back here at the Ateneo de Sta University Gymnasium for the fourth and final quarter. 11 points nga pong lamang na hawak ngayon ng ating UNC Greyhounds. Let's see dito sa ating fourth and final quarter kung masisecure na nila yung fourth spot dito sa ating play-in round. And of course, paano rin babawi itong ating CSPC Blue Stallions if they are eager and determined to get or to secure the fourth spot in our play-in round. And syempre, na-mention din nila kanina na gustong-gusto nilang bumawi dun sa pagkatalo nila against dito sa Greyhounds nung way back classification round. So tingnan natin yan dito sa ating fourth and final quarter.
Well, the winners of this match will be moving into the number 4 seed and will be facing the USI Falcons, number 5 seed. And also, so sino yung matatalo dito sa matchup ay mga kalaban nila yung Ateneo Golden Knights, who is just waiting for their opponents in the seniors division. And from the corner, firing up a 3-pointer, hitting the rim. Wala pa rin. Veronas, no good. But Sarmiento almost getting that save.
Now ball possession of the Blue Stallions. Nianggar to inbound. Now to Felix Andrew Diang. To Nianggar. Now to Atanasio.
Going on a triangle is the UNC Greyhounds, or rather Diamond.
No good on that 3-pointer by Atanasio, but another offensive rebound here by the Blue Stallions.
An alley-oop play!
What an alley-oop play coming from Atanasio and Velitario of the Blue Stallions. Napakaganda ng LA. Napaka-smooth nun.
That punable assist, or that assist of the quarter, is brought to us by Elite Sportswear and Uniform. Diang handing it to Velitario midway or mid-flight on that attack. And now let's have a quick update. Amanda is waiting on the sideline. Amanda, take it away.
Maraming salamat, LA and Jasper. Execution, layups, and turnovers, yan ang iniwan ng coaches sa players noong third quarter. Matinding labanan ito dahil parehong kupunan ang nag-iinit para panatilina ang kanilang puntos. Sa pagtawag nga ng timeout ay inalala ng big man ang kanilang role at communication ng Stallions sa loob ng hardcourt. Pinaalala rin ng isa sa star players ng Stallions, jersey number 7, na gawin na nila ang lahat habang maaga pa at kayang-kaya pang habulin ang score. LA and Jasper, kung mararamdaman nyo lang ang hard work at determination mula dito sa side ng CSPC, ay talagang masasabi nyong sabay at tuloy ang kanilang pagtatrabaho para manalo sa larong ito. Hatid ko sa inyo ang mainit na balita mula dito sa side ng CSPC Blue Stallions, only here at Bucal official Facebook page, One Media TV 48 Naga and Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Yan lang mga updates. This is Amanda reporting. Back to the panel.
Thank you so much, Amanda. On that update from the side of the CSPC Blue Stallions ay narinig natin according to their team captain or one of the key players of CSPC Blue Stallions, Felix Andrew Diang, na kailangan na nilang gawin yung kanilang effort habang maaga pa. And as we are seeing, medyo triple na, hindi lang doble, yung kayod nitong dalawang teams na ito. The eagerness and the determination para makuha, grabe, para makuha yung fourth spot dito sa ating play-in round. And that forces the UNC Greyhounds to call a timeout. And habang naka-timeout sila, let's call on our courtside reporter, IC, to give us an update. Alright, so IC, take it away.
As we go on to the last quarter of the game, painit ang laro ngayon sa pagitan ng UNC Greyhounds and CSPC Blue Stallions. The Greyhounds are locked in and on their game plan as the action intensifies. During the huddle, sabi nga ni Coach, kung saan pinasa, doon kayo. Stick close to your assignment and don't lose focus in their man-to-man defense. It's all about reading the plays and staying one step ahead. He also reminded that the team know how to commit whether it's on defense or offense. Every decision must be smart and purposeful. Let's see kung hanggang saan naabot ang determination ng UNC Greyhounds in the last quarter of the game. Balik sa inyo, LA and Jasper.
Thank you so much, IC, on that update from the side of the UNC Greyhounds. Grabe, saktong-sakto yung pagtawag doon ng timeout nitong ating UNC Greyhounds dahil dun sa mabilis na kayod ng ating CSPC Blue Stallions, and down to 5 points yung lamang na hawak dito ng ating UNC Greyhounds. And let's see kung ano yung ginawa nilang adjustments doon, both teams, kung paano ipapagpatuloy nitong ating CSPC Blue Stallions yung kanilang nasimulang momentum. Pero agad naman yung natawagan ng timeout ni Coach Miggy of the Greyhounds. So let's see this time.
Here's Coronan missing the attack, but there's a foul on Lycon Yangar as he sends Coronan on the line.
And that's good for that first attempt by Caronan of the of the UNC Greyhounds rather. Now once again, and that's good for that 2 free throws, substitutions, and 7 points lead.
Oh, the Mighty Mouse getting that steal at Valera, the MVP of Season 4 in the juniors basketball. No good from Ateneo. Kevin Taugan slicing up the D all the way, missing it.
Ganda nung footwork niya doon, partner, pero sayang yon. Now, let's see. CSPC Blue Stallions Ateneo to Nianggar, almost getting that 2-pointer. Now, Nianggar once again to Ateneo. And another alley-oop play. Grabe tong dalawang to. Kanina pa to.
Another highlight play for the Blue Stallions.
And Belitario. Grabe.
It's the connection between these two persons.
Pangalawa na yon, LA. Napakagandang dynamics nitong dalawang to. Now let's see once again.
From the 3.
Correa, no good. Now Ateneo, no good pa rin. But defensive rebound here by Taugan.
Yung kinapos doon si Ateneo.
Now Taugan on the corner.
Oh, he strips and a traveling violation for the UNC Greyhounds.
And then at a couple of substitutions here for the Blue Stallions.
Not much of a big lead for the UNC Greyhounds. It's 61-56. Still anybody's ball game at this point. Here's Belica.
Now to Nianggar. Ateneo for 3. Diang Ratter. Grabe, napakabilis na nung pasahan nila dito, LA. Now,
here's Coronan.
Taugan. Now,
Kevin Taugan.
7. Makakakuha nga dito ng 2 free throws. Coming from jersey number 24, Correa of the Blue Stallions. Now Taugan for his first attempt, and that's good. Ingat.
And a timeout by the CSPC Blue Stallions to pacify things over. 63-56 is our scoring for the fourth quarter. We'll be right back for more action only here on Aragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. And we are back in action in the 4 minutes and 53 seconds of still the fourth quarter of action. Long way to go for the Greyhounds and the Blue Stallions, with the winner securing a spot. It will be facing the USI Falcons. Militario, a triple is good!
Down to 4 points lead of the UNC Greyhounds. Now let's see kung paano nila ipapagpatuloy yung kanilang momentum dito sa midway ng ating fourth and final quarter. Now Valera, jersey number 18. No good on his triple. Now Belica, matatawagan dito ng foul itong si jersey number 88 Valera of the UNC Greyhounds. Ayan, a good opportunity for the Blue Stallions na maibaba yung kalamangan dito ng ating Greyhounds. It's either ibaba nila sa 2 puntos o 1 puntos. Let's see. That's good for jersey number 24 Correa. 3-pointer, and ayun na nga LA, 1 puntos na lamang yung hawak na kalamangan dito ng ating UNC Greyhounds. Let's take a look.
Nico Carano with an answer from the 3-pointer made by the Blue Stallions.
Ang agang bawi nun LA, so let's take a look once again for the Blue Stallions. Nianggar, grabe, parang hinulog na lang to ni Nianggar yung bola.
And Coach Miggy punching the air, celebrating. And Andre Legaspi saves it from the triple. No good on that bounce, but Valera comes to save it. Still no good. A rebound by Andrew Diang. Let's have a quick chit-chat from the sideline. IC Cortez of the UNC Greyhounds. IC, take it away.
LA and Jasper, the game is getting intense with the score closing in. The Greyhounds are ramping up the intensity, utilizing the dribble drive effectively to break down the defense and create scoring opportunities. Will the Greyhounds take the victory for this matchup against the CSPC Blue Stallions? Yan ang kailangan nating abangan. Kaya naman, stay tuned on our live via Orago Sports TV. Liga ng mga Kampiyon, balik sa inyo.
Thank you so much, IC, on that update from the side of the UNC Greyhounds. Grabe na yung tensyon dito sa loob ng Ateneo de Naga University Gymnasium. Hindi alintana yung malamig na panahon sa labas dahil kakatapos ng umulan LA. Pero yung init nung laban this afternoon is ramdam na ramdam dito sa loob ng gymnasium. And on the other side, let's hear an update, a quick update from the side of the CSPC Blue Stallions. Nandyan ang ating concert reporter na si Amanda to give us an update. Alright, so Amanda, anong update natin dyan?
Maraming salamat, LA and Jasper. After the intense battle, here's the CSPC Blue Stallions playing their one-game plan and proving their skills and ability inside the hard court. It's a close shot for the two teams as the Stallions continue to drive the ball hard. LA and Jasper, handang-handa na ang Stallions na ibigay sa UNC ang kanilang pagkatalo. Abangan natin dito sa Bucal official Facebook page and One Media TV 48 Naga kung paano susungkitin ng Blue Stallions ang 4th spot para sa quarterfinals. Yan lang mga updates mula dito. Balik sa inyo, LA and Jasper.
Thank you so much, Amanda, on that quick update from the side of the CSPC Blue Stallions. Ayun na nga LA, we are deadlocked at 66 points dito sa ating 4th and final quarter as we are about to approach the last 2 minutes of our 4th and final quarter. Grabe LA, yung tensyon, yung excitement, kung sino ang mag-uwi ng panalo. Well, hindi rin malabo na magkaroon tayo ng overtime match. Maaga pa naman LA.
Oo. It's deflection after deflection after deflection for both of these teams. 21 on the 24. Nico Caronan losing it, but Sarmiento saving it. Goes out of the rim. It will be the CSPC basketball as they look to regain the lead in this last 2-minute part of the 4th quarter.
Let's see LA. Grabe, napakahigpit ng laban. Ayun na nga at napatawag na dyan ng timeout itong ating CSPC Blue Stallions. Alright, so magpapakita muna po kami ng konting highlights dun sa mga nagdaan na play nitong dalawang teams na ito. Let's take a look at here, LA. The three-pointer by Correa. Grabe. And look at this once again.
An answer from Nico Caronan, getting it one. And again, here's Laiko Nyangara of the Blue Stallions attacking the basket from the baseline.
And here comes Belhica getting that two-pointer. Yun yung nagpatay. Or I mean nag-deadlock nung points nila dito sa ating fourth and final quarter. Grabe. Let's wait for the adjustments of both teams dito sa ating 1 minute and 55 seconds remaining, since grabe kailangan na nila tong pagplanuhan. And I think tig-isang timeout na lamang yung natitira for both teams. So they need to consume it very well, and kailangan makuha na nila yung advice na kailangan nila from their coaches during this timeout, since this is very crucial for both of these teams. Grabe, LA. Parang ang hirap ma-determine this time kung sino ang mag-uuwi ng fourth spot in the play-in round. It's anybody's ball game since 1 minute and 55 seconds remaining for our fourth and final quarter.
And we're still deadlock at 6-6 apiece, with the Blue Stallions looking to regain the lead again. Oh, there's an out of bounds from Andrew Diang. And they'll have to take a special look at it, or a good look, if it will be Blue Stallions basketball, as Andrew Diang pointing it that it bounces off the foot of Adrian Batyancela.
Ayan, at magkakaroon tayo dyan ng replay, LA, kung kanino talaga mapupunta ang bola, kung sa UNC Greyhounds ba or sa CSPC Blue Stallions. Grabe. I think LA, parang nararamdaman ko na magkaka-overtime match talaga tayo sa higpit ng laban nitong dalawang koponan na ito.
Both of these teams going aggressively against each other. And
grabe.
Refusing to lose, because winning this game puts them in a big advantage, especially they're going on the higher spot in the quarterfinals. And the losing team is actually an extra effort for them, because their opponents are actually waiting for them, the Ateneo Golden Knights. So let's see in this matchup on who will have the upper hand.
So let's take a look at our replay.
Let's see if the ball bounced into the foot of Batyancela, or actually it's there's a hit from the foot of Batyancela. There's that a slow-mo replay, and let's have a look. And there you go, that update.
Ayan, at mapupunta yan sa side ng CSPC Blue Stallions.
So shot clock is back to 14 seconds.
Grabe, napakagandang opportunity sa kanila na makalamang. Well, kung makalamang sila ngayon, LA, this will be the first time na makakalamang sila.
After first quarter.
After the first quarter. Grabe, 3 quarters yung nagdaan. Let's see. Ayan, at the same ball possession for...
Now the UNC Greyhounds will have to review this one. The ball bounced into the hands of Andrew Diang. We're still on a long way to run in 1 minute and 38 seconds.
Well, mapapadalas na talaga dito, yung mga coaches challenge itong dalawang teams na ito, since very crucial na yung iba ang pinapadalan mo.
Let's have a look at it on that play. Here's that. Here's the ball onto the hands of Diang. As I am looking at the second monitor of this matchup, there's actually, it's too risky to call if who will have the basketball in this matchup. And it will go to the UNC Greyhounds with putting up extra motion by Ref Ronnie Maliniza.
Grabe, pareha successful yung coaches challenge ng dalawang teams na ito. Medyo mapapadalas talaga yung coaches challenge dito sa ating very crucial part ng ating fourth and final quarter. Now, Batiancela to Valera. Back to Batiancela on the outside with 10 seconds on the shot clock. Now, let's see LA. Valera.
Goes that shot.
Three-pointer. Grabe, hindi mo na maintindihan yung gustong sabihin doon ni Correa. But here comes Diang. Let's see.
That's it to Velitario. To Yangar. Diang for a triple. It's good! Andrew Diang. And the lead is now into the hands of the Blue Stallions. They're up by 3 points against the Greyhounds. Oh my goodness!
Ayun na yung iniintay natin, the 3-point lead of the CSPC Blue Stallions. Anybody's ball game pa rin. Now 40 seconds on the fourth and final quarter.
Now the Blue Stallions have to put a stop on the UNC Greyhounds, or they have to kill much time against the Greyhounds. And Yangar taking that bump against Batiancela.
29 seconds remaining, and I think parang napalakas dun yung pagbunggo dun ni Batiancela kay Niangar. And as we can see, Niangar is down, but I think he's still good to play for the fourth and final quarter. Grabe LA. Sobrang higpit na ng ating fourth and final quarter. 3 points lead of the Blue Stallions after the 3 quarters that have been passed.
Oh, actually, wow, what a clutch shot from Andrew Diang. As we are away from ending this matchup into an overtime, or we are going to a CSPC basketball, going for the number 4 seed. Diang on the inside, Correa gets it to go!
Grabe! Napakagandang action. Let's see. No good doon sa pagbawi nitong ating Blue Stallions.
Go for a long pass. Here's Ateneo.
Ateneo getting that 2 points. May kasama pa yung foul LA. A 3 points play opportunity for Ateneo of the CSPC Blue Stallions.
What a game we're having right now.
Let's take a look once again LA dito sa ating instant 3 play. From that spin and 2 points by Correa, and this time naman libreng Ateneo dito, putting up 2 points. May kasabay pa yung foul na 3 points play opportunity for Noel Ateneo of
the fourth quarter have gone to the CSPC Blue Stallions as he gets that free throw. And the Greyhounds, they are looking to face the Ateneo Golden Knights in the quarterfinal round with the CSPC Blue Stallions having a rematch with the USI Falcons.
What a game LA, what a game for sure. Yung mga timbahay natin nakakapit na sa kanilang mga inuupuan dun sa napakagandang laban na natunghayan natin. Congratulations to both of these teams for having a very good game. Grabe, 66-74, 8 points lead of the CSPC Blue Stallions. Congratulations dahil na-secure nila yung fourth spot dito sa ating play-in round, and talagang ginawa nila yung pagbawi na kailangan nilang gawin kontra dito sa UNC Greyhounds. And dyan lamang po kayo at magbabalik po kami para makilala ang best player of the game. Syempre mag-flash muna tayo ng game highlights for the second half only here on Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
Ladies and gentlemen, Blue Stallions emerge victorious and they are going as the number 4th seed and facing the USI Falcons in our quarterfinals round. The best player of the game is none other than JP Correa, sponsored by the Tigers Café. 26 points, 8 rebounds, 3 assists, 1 steal, and 1 block. Congratulations to the CSPC Blue Stars, especially you, JP Correa, hailing as the best player of the game. Ano yung pakiramdam na after 3 quarters, the Blue Stallions, you're trailing, especially lamang yung UNC Greyhounds. Ano yung ginawa mo para mas makalamang pa yung Blue Stallions against the Greyhounds?
Una-una po, nagpapasalamat kami sa taas kay Lord dahil binigay sa amin itong panalo and hindi kami sumuko, tiyaga, sipag, kahit ano mangyari, sipag, walang bibitaw. Kaya yun, kahit kulang-kulang kami sa practice, go hard, di kami pinabayaan.
Especially ngayon, mga katapat ninyo, ang inyong mga nakatapat sa mga nakaraang elimination round, the USI Falcons. Sa tingin nyo, ano pa yung gagawin yung preparation against the USI Falcons heading into the quarterfinals round?
Preparation na po ay practice, conditioning, and go hard pa rin. Una-una, yun, tinalo kami ng UNC nung nakaraan. Yun, nakabawi na kami. Ngayon, gusto rin namin makabawi sa USI. Yun, tapos yun na po.
Very well, Sir JP Correa. Now, I'm giving you the chance to shout out your friends or anyone that is watching live here in the Ateneo and also from the online.
Shoutout po sa CSPC community and sa team ko, CSPC Stallions, and sa pamilya ko sa Libmanan and sa Mangkaman Junior and sa kapapasa pa lang board exam sa aking girlfriend na si Shanil Gelmadi and sa yun na po.
Congratulations to your girlfriend and also to you, JP Correa. And there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Our sponsor, Tigers Café, JP Correa, the best player of the game of the CSPC Blue Stallions.
Yeah po.
Ayun na nga't nakilala na natin ang ating best player of the game. Hatid sa atin yan ng Tigers Café located at Magsaysay Avenue, Naga City. Siyempre hatid sa atin ng aking partner, LA Lapid. And of course, maraming salamat po sa lahat ng tumutok dito sa ating last game ngayong Saturday and sa lahat ng umantabay sa ating live from the first quarter up until dito sa fourth and final quarter. Maraming salamat din sa lovely ladies na nakasama natin at the court side. We have Icy Cortez and Amanda on the side of the CSPC Blue Stallions. Once again, I am Jasper Abante.
And I am LA Lapid. See you in the hottest quarterfinals ever, only here in Bucal Season 6, live on Oragon Sports TV. As always, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.